Good morning and welcome in. It is Monday. Dan Hardenbrook, glad to have you along. Hope the weekend went well. Let's take a look now at your latest local news from around the region. It is your Newberry News Update on M123 FM. Your local news today brought to you by Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center.
I love that our tagline is your health, our passion. It's definitely a passion for me. I take care of the people that take care of the people.
Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center's new CEO, Helen Johnson.
But I am really a Northern Michigan girl. I started my career out here as a young nurse in oncology in Marquette. It was so natural for me to be able to move back. It is a different way of life. You just breathe a little easier. My husband and I really are outdoors people. If I'm outdoors around a campfire, get a little bit of smoke in your hair, that is just a happy place for me.
Johnson loves the intimacy of small-town healthcare.
Living and working in a rural community gives us a unique opportunity to connect with our patients one-on-one. I want them to say, I was at your hospital recently, and the next thing I want them to say is, and it was great.
Helen Newberry Joy's new CEO, Helen Johnson.
I have had such a great welcome to this community.
Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center. Your health, our passion.
In your latest local news this morning, it's back to school for Tahquamenon Area Schools. The Newberry District welcoming students back a week later than originally expected as the district continued bond construction projects and improvements throughout the summer. The district is eagerly anticipating starting a brand new school year. If you are a Tahquamenon Area Schools family, everything you need to know is on the Tahquamenon Area Schools TAS Facebook page. Welcome back letters for students and families, the district's weekly Sunday send-off to start the new year, updates on parking and other items, including supplies list and contact information, can all also be found through the school's website at taschools.org or by calling the office at 293-3226. Tahquamenon Area Schools, back at it today, students. Best of luck with the school year. Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center has announced the retirement of one of its longtime friendly faces. After many years of dedicated service to the community, Dr. Benjamin Bryant has announced that he'll be retiring from Helen Newberry Joy on September 27th. The hospital says that Bryant has been a cornerstone of the medical community and that his unwavering commitment to patient care has touched countless lives. HNJH said on a statement in their Facebook page that they're immensely grateful for Bryant's service and the compassion he's shown to the patients and community. Hospital also announcing that starting September 30th, a team of skilled surgeons from the Petoskey Surgeons Group will be joining to provide services at Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center. They're expected to continue the high standard of care for patients. You can learn more about the Petoskey Surgeons, get more on Bryant's retirement by going online. There's information on the Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center Facebook page. You can also go to petoskeysurgeons.com to learn all about the new team that will be providing services. To schedule an appointment, you can call 906-293-9118. The LMAS District Health Department has announced that they scheduled an open house at their Schoolcraft County office. That'll take place October 2nd from 3 until 6 p.m. The facility located on Walnut Street in Manistee. As part of that special open house, anyone from the LMAS district region is invited to come on out, learn more about the services that LMAS can provide. The open house will also give visitors an opportunity to get their flu shots, pick up water test kits, have car seat checks, get information on programs offered, and learn about harm reduction services. Can also bring the whole family, everyone invited to the LMAS District Health Department Schoolcraft County Open House. That'll be October 2nd from 3 until 6 p.m. For more information, go online to lmasdhd.org. With the new school year already underway in Engadine Consolidated Schools is still looking for individuals to fill certain positions. They're looking for substitutes in the following areas, including teachers and teacher aides, custodians, kitchen staff, and bus drivers. If you're interested in signing up to be a substitute at Engadine, You can contact Sharon French in the central office at 906-477-6313. I'm Dan Hardebrook, and that is your latest local news from around the region. It is your Newberry News Update on M123 FM. Your Monday news brought to you by Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center. Your health is their passion. For more information, go online to hnjh.org. Time now to check in with sports this morning. Lions win their season opener in overtime, beating the Rams 26-20 at Ford Field last night. It was a dominating final drive for the Lions as they drove straight down the field. The only possession in overtime. Lions led early. It was 10-3 at the half and 17-3 in the third. The Rams made a late comeback. They eventually took a 20-17 lead late in the fourth quarter. The Lions forced a field goal late to get the extra session. Lions are now 1-0 on the season. Matt Stafford in his return to Detroit had 317 passing yards and a touchdown, but a big interception late in the first half. Jared Goff helped lead the Lions to the victory with 217 yards and a TD. David Montgomery, 17 carries, 91 yards, including the game winner. The best news possible for the Green Bay Packers on their injury with quarterback Jordan Love. Love was originally feared to have suffered a severe knee injury in the Friday night loss to the Philadelphia Eagles. However, MRI results have showed that Love only has a sprained MCL. That means he'll miss expected anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks with the knee injury. That's better than the worst case scenario of having him out for the entire season. Packers are already looking at other options to fill the void while Love recovers from the injury. Former Titans quarterback Ryan Tannehill and New England starter Bailey Zappi have been linked as possible free agent pickups from the veteran QB market. Packers' backup quarterback the other night was Malik Willis, been with the team for less than 2 weeks. Tigers continue their late season playoff push. They beat the Athletics 9-1 in Oakland. Had a big 6-run eighth inning to pull out that victory. Detroit is now 73-71 on the season. 2 games above 500 as the stretch run officially gets underway. Tigers still a long shot in the wild card, but made room this weekend. They're now just 3.5 games back of the Minnesota Twins. Baltimore and Kansas City currently holding the other wild card. 3 of those teams made the playoffs. It'll be the first time in history that 4 teams from one division made it in to the postseason. Your latest local weather forecast from the National Weather Service. Sunny skies and a high in the mid-70s for your Monday. North winds 5 miles per hour. Tuesday, mostly sunny, highs upper 70s. Could touch 80 in some spots. South winds 5 to 10. Wednesday, partly sunny. Highs again in the upper 70s. I'm Dan Hardebrook. This is your news, sports, and weather. It's your Newberry News Update on M123 FM.